Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and give you guys an update. By the way, this is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Designs here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. I wanted first to apologize for not having done a video like the tutorials or anything Saturday or Sunday. I have been battling a pretty bad kidney infection, and the last time I had one like this, I ended up in the hospital for over a week with sepsis. So we're trying to keep that from happening this time. So I just wanted to apologize for not having that video done. I hope to feel better this afternoon. I do have to go to my other job right now, so that's where I'm headed, but hopefully I will feel better this afternoon and I can get that video done and uploaded for you guys. Also, I did take a little bit of time yesterday, and my husband and I dyed some paper. We done the coffee dyeing and we done some ink dyeing. It was a special order for Miss Sharon Estes. So that may be something that I do put some in the shop. So stay tuned for that. And I'm just going to include the little short supersonic speed video at the end of this. And so stay tuned. That should be coming into the shop pretty quickly. I've got to see how many sheets she wants, and then whatever's left I will put in the shop. And then if it's something that you guys are interested in, I can definitely do more. Also, I do have a lot of orders that I think there's going to be several that will arrive this week. So there will be lots of new product in the store, as well as restock of some current product that I have. And I am working on a couple of digital kits that my plan is to have them released and in the store this week. And I will probably bring you guys along. That will be some of the Photoshop tutorials, or design with me, craft with me. So I'm hoping to bring you guys along as I finish them up. And then I do want to do the video on like how I get my images for the ones that I don't pay for. I do pay for some, but there are a lot that I use that I don't have to pay for, that are royalty free and copyright free. So I do want to show you guys how to utilize that. And I may create a free Canva account for myself, because I have the paid account. But I think I'm going to create a free Canva account so that I can show you guys exactly what you can do in the free Canva account, because I use Canva and Photoshop together a lot of times. So anyway, guys, I'm going to have to run. It is time for me to head to work. Thank you guys for watching this. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Make sure you hit the like button on this video. Leave a comment. It helps with the algorithms here on YouTube. And we're at 320 something subscribers, right? Sorry, my alarm went off. As soon as I get to 500 subscribers, we will do some kind of contest or drawing to give away one of the well, this one's not decorated, but we will be giving away one of the envelope journals. We will figure out which one. It may be one that we work on together. So I'm not sure, but that's going to happen at 500 subscribers. So anyway, thanks again, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, let people know that I don't mind helping. So like, subscribe, share, comment. I don't know. Bye, guys. It's time for me to go to work.